So let's quickly find the derivative of sin x. Now, if you are going to find the derivative of sin x, we are going to use first principle. We are not going to use the other one, but we are going to use first principle. So how do we use first principle? Let's quickly see how to do differential calculus by first principle. Okay. So the very first thing you do by first principle is you add dy to both sides. You write d to both sides, difference to both sides. So you have y plus dy will give you what? Sine of x plus dx. Is that clear? Okay, that's the first thing that we are going to do. Then after doing this now, we are going to, don't forget that we said, but y equal to what? Sine x. So if y equal to sine x, so therefore, you substitute for y. Substitute for y. So you now have what? Sine x plus dy equal to sine into x plus dx. Are we getting it? Is that clear now? Very good. Then the next thing is make the y subject of the formula. So you making the y subject of the formula, you now have your dy now will give you sine into x plus dx, close the bracket, minus sine x. So is that clear? Very good. So then after this now, we are using trigonometry formula. So if you want to use trigonometry formula, don't forget there is a formula in trigonometry that says when you have sine A, when you have sine A minus sine B, will give us 2 sine A plus B over 2 times, cos A plus B over 2. Is 2 cos A, 2 cos A plus B sine A plus B. So when you have sine A minus sine B, it will give you 2 cos A plus B over 2 times sine A plus B over 2. Now, if you compare this formula with this equation now, compare this with this. So automatically, our A now will be what? A will be this, right? Good. A will be x plus dx. Then B will be what? X. So from there now you can say A plus B now will be x plus dx, then plus B, which is x. So this will give us 2x plus dx. Is that clear, everyone? Very good. Then let's do A minus B. A minus B now will give us x plus dx minus x. So x minus x. So our answer will be remaining only dx. I hope you get that. Okay. So let's quickly go and substitute for that. Don't forget that our formula, don't forget that where we started from is what? dy equal to sine, open bracket, x plus y, close the bracket, minus sine x. Then we are told that sine A minus sine B equal to cos A plus B over 2 sine A plus B over 2. So let's quickly substitute. We have gotten A plus B, we have gotten A minus B. So let's substitute for A plus B, A minus B. So our dy now will be what? Our dy now will be cos, what's A plus B? Look at it here. A plus B is what? 2x plus dx. So that will be cos 2x plus dx over 2 multiplied by sine multiplied by sine. So what's A minus B? So look at A minus B, that's dx. Sorry, this is A plus B, A minus B. That will give us sine A minus B. So what's A minus B? Look at A minus B, dx. So you have dx over 2. Is that one cleared? Very good. So from there now, we come to dy equal to, sorry, there is 2 at the back, is 2 cos this, sorry, you see it now, it's there, 2 cos, so we have it there, so there is 2 here, so that's 2 cos 2x plus this. Then you now have 2 open bracket, this is the same thing as cos 2x over 2 plus dx over 2. Let's put the 2 into brackets times, let's use times, sine dx over 2. Close the big bracket. Please, are we getting it? Very good. So the next thing is dy now will give you 2 into, these 2 now can cancel these 2. You now have cos x plus dx over 2. Close the bracket for this one. Times what? Sine dx over 2. Then from there now, we can now divide both sides by dx. That is what the law says. By dx. So our dy dx will give us 2 open bracket cos x plus dx over 2 times sine dx over 2. Close the bracket. Now we can now have dy dx to give us, don't forget that we are dividing by dx. Since we divide this one by ds, so we divide this one too. We divide this one too by ds. Is that cleared? Very good. So now we now have the y ds to be. Now you see these two. Now the next thing is, let's divide both numerator and denominator by 2 to eradicate these two. Divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So that will be 2 divided by 2 into cos x plus dx over 2 times sin dx over 2, close the bracket. Now, of course, you know if these two divide these two, it becomes 1. Then divide this one 2 by 2. So indirectly, we are moving these two down here. Are you getting it now? We want to eradicate these two. So you divide both numerator and denominator by 2. By the time you use these two to divide these two, we return to this. Do we understand it now? By the time we use these two to divide these two, we return to what we have here. Is that cleared? We want to eradicate these two. So to remove these two, divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. So by the time you use these two to divide these two, we go back to what we have here. Is that cleared? Okay, so these two now can cancel these two here. So you now have dy over dx to give you cos x plus dx over 2 times what? Sin dx over 2 all over dx over 2. Is that cleared? Good. So your dy over dx now will give you what? It will give us, you know, this is the same thing as saying cos x plus dx over 2 divided by 1 all over 1 multiplied by sin dx over 2 divided by dx over 2. Is that cleared? I hope you understand. This one here, you know it belongs to both this and this. So we try to shift it to this other side. We try to shift it to sin dx over 2. Is that cleared? Because by the time you use 1 to multiply dx over 2, it gives you dx over 2. And the numerator still remains. All we just do is, we move this one, since it is a multiplication. So this one, it is for both this and this. So we now move this one, we move this one to this other side. So this place will now be 1. So to get this one, to get what we have here back, everything here, to get everything here back, multiply 1 times dx over 2, it will give you dx over 2. So then all the numerator remains. Is that cleared? Very good. So now under differential equation, the x will always tends 0. So if the x tends 0, it means that anywhere you see the x, you change it to 0. If the x tends 0, it means anywhere you see the x, change it to 0. So your dy dx now will now be cos x plus 0 over 2 multiplied by sin 0 over 2 divided by 0 over 2. So, and this now will now give us cos x. Of course, is plus 0. Everything here is 0. Sine 0 over 2, then 0 over 2 is everything here is 0. Do we get it now? So the y, the x now will give us what? Cos x. So therefore, sine x will equal to cos x. That's the derivative. The derivative of sine x will equal to cos x. I hope that is cleared. Very good.